The worrying thing is that best before date's the 4th of November, but we've lived there since April. So it could be last
man.
November.
2008 at least, and it's a
Go on,
based.
get it in.
Sean, have a bit of rum.
Give me the rum.
A bit of rum. Can I have a do with it? Can I have a do with it?
You going?
Yeah,
Go on.
Taste
Oh,
like it, buddy.
Steve, I
Tastes
can't
like
believe. I
I
can't
want to see if
believe
it's
that.
worse than the egg, because the egg was terrible. Oh! Ah! Oh God!
Not good, is it?
That has
this is
started to
hilarious.
ferment. That started to turn into a kind of alcohol. There's people who probably pays good money for that pudding, Sean.
Oh, should we play a song? I think we should.
Okay. Here, have some rum. Oh, now you're talking.
I'm going back. I'm going right over here. There we go.
Live vomiting on the radio.
Not even a bite.
Go on.
Oh, look, they look disgusting.
I'll do it first. Right.
Oh no, she's gone.
Oh, man, just the thought of it.
Has she not even eaten
No.
it?
No, just bite. Just bite.
Steady yourself.
Bite.
Oh, God. Don't make me do this, Berry, please.
Listen, I'll do it first. I'll come down.
It's alright, you ready? Ready?
She's doing it. She's doing it. Just go for it. Go for it, Rach.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh! God, that is disgusting.
What was it like, Mrs.?
Oh!
Give me a bit.
Oh, dude.
Was it a taste sensation?
Was it?
It's not...
Pass me that rum. Oh!
You need the rum, Rach. Have the rum. You'll be
Rachel,
fine.
Trust me, have some. Oh, yes! Results!
Oh,
Right, pass me
man.
that. Mrs., pass me the rum.
Have the rum, Rach. Have a swig of the rum.
Thank you. Right.
Right, I can't...
Let's see what all the fuss is about here,
Oh,
shall we,
it was
boy? A bit of
disgusting.
Go on, go for it.
I mean, I hate him anyway.
Oh, God!
Have the rum.
That is disgusting.
Ugh.
Oh, man.
What was worse? What was worse? You've tasted all three now.
Right, I've
So.
tasted all three. The egg. The egg had been determinate age.
Oh, God. Can
Was-
we go and have some water or something, please, now?
I've told you, Sean, pass the rum.
Have the rum.
The rum is going to